Previously on the advent of cyber. Because of the recent incident, Santa has asked his team to set up a new web application that runs on Docker. It is up to you, McSkitty, to show Santa that there may be hidden weaknesses before the bad guys find them. Mmap, we're just going to paste the IP address in, and then we're going to see what ports are open. http://, pop in the IP address, and we have a generic website. Then we can just do exploit and see what happens. Sessions -u for upgrade, -1 for the last session, and you can see now that it's started a reverse handler and we should get a interpreter session back. Root, add, and then we're going to do the IP address of the database, which is 172.28.101.51, root print, and we now have both roots added through session 2. Exploit on this. It worked first time. You can exploit, then we can do sessions -l, who am I? ls-lash, and then we can cat the root.txt file. Hello world and welcome to Hacks. We are looking at day 10 of the advent of cyber. Hack a game. You're a mean one, Mr. Yeti. The story. Santa's team have done well so far. The elves blue and red combined have been securing everything technological all around. The bandit yeti, unable to hack a thing, decided to go for eldritch magic as a last resort and trapped Elf McSkitty in a video game during her sleep. When the rest of the elves woke up, their leader was nowhere to be found until Elf Recon McRed noticed one of their screens where McSkitty pixelated figure could be seen. By the screen, an icy note read, "Only by winning the unwinnable game shall your dear Elf McSkitty be reclaimed." Without their chief, the elves started running in despair. How could they run a sock without its head? The game was rigged, and try after try the elves would lose no matter what. As struck by lightning, Elf McRed stood up from his chair and said to the others, "If we can't win it, we'll hack it." And the learning objectives of this room are to learn how data is stored in memory in games and other applications. Use simple tools to find and alter data in memory. Explore the effects of changing data in memory on a running game. So I'm going to try and blitz through this room as quickly as possible because I just want to get it done and out of the way. I'm not feeling the best at the moment. We've got a game that we need to hack. McSkitty has been teleported into the game and we are going to control that character, get through the game, get the flags, and get out. In order to understand how we do this, we need to understand how data is processed by a computer. All data goes into memory before being processed by the CPU. If we have access to that memory and can modify it, then we can change certain parameters or variables in order to give us different attributes. For instance, we could increase the maximum health, we can make ourselves invincible, or in the case of GTA Online, we could sell a car at the car shop for more than its initial value, max out the bank and get our account banned. Not that we did that. So we're going to spawn the machine. You see that I've got an hour and 17 minutes on it. Then we're going to come into here and we're going to load Chrome. Then once that loads, we're going to go to the localhost and it spawns this game. What we also need to do though is we need to come down here and developer tools and then go across the tabs and look for CTUS. And CTUS is a memory manipulating program effectively. So anything that gets loaded into memory, we'll be able to see it, edit it, change it and do anything that we want to do. But let's have a look. We got this lovely little game and it says to play the game, use the arrow keys and the spacebar. Good luck. Where am I? I'm trapped. Where's my name? Elf McAlf. Who did this to me? And we can walk around. Do we have any jumps or any spells? Can we go into this little hut? Do we get some XP? No? Okay. So we're going to come down here and we're going to talk to this guard. Hey there. Welcome to my 5-star prison. Hope you enjoy your stay. Hey guard. I'm trying to escape. Any useful suggestions? Escape, you say, but I've worked very hard on making your cell comfy enough. You even have room service. Oh, nice. I might actually stay. Besides, the jail is as secure as it gets. Let me tell you, you won't be able to get out even if you were one of Santa's flying reindeer. Ho, ho, ho. The only way out is through the door behind me, and I'm not opening it for you. Pretty please? No. Pretty please? Said Elf McAlf. The guard says no. Elf McAlf says pretty please. The guard says, you are annoying, Elf. Let's make a deal. I think of a number between 1 and 999999999. If you can guess it, you'll get out. Good luck with that one. Ha 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 ha. So then we're given a number and we don't know what it is. We've got to guess it. It's between that number and that number, but we don't know. So I'm just going to enter 1337, hit enter, and he says, no, that's not his number, and his number is actually 608574767. What we're going to do is we're going to come over into CTUS now, and we're going to type this number in, 608574767. 467, and we're going to hit enter, and you can see there is an address there, and we're just going to click on that and bookmark it. So now we're in searching, we're looking for bookmarks, so you know that's his number. So we're just going to walk away from the guard. You really thought you could guess it. It's not like you can read minds, dude. Now go back to your jail and enjoy the view of your 5-star windows. Okay, sweet. I mean, it's a 5-star prison, why would you want it? So we're going to come back here again, and then we're going to talk to the guard again. Hey there, welcome to my 5-star prison. Hope you enjoy your stay. And then we're going to skip through all this text, and then we need to enter a number. So what I'm going to come up to do here is I'm going to change the value to 1337, hit return, and then I'm going to press on here and put 1337 and hit enter. It says, you got it, but how? What kind of dark magic is? Are you angels? Nay, we are but men. Ruck. I mean, are you an elf or a witch? Stop reading my mind. I'm opening the door. Just stop messing with my head. And now you can see he's opened the door. And then if we come back and talk to the guard one more time, you can see we get our first flag, which is THM5_star_FL4GZZZ. And we can grab that flag, head back to the room, and we can submit the first flag. Whoop whoop. So we're going to come back over here, and we're going to try to walk across the bridge, but we are now... Okay, Alf McAlf, finally out of there. Now let's move on. Yeah, let's do that. Let's move on. Bandit Jesse. Why are you out of the prison? Did the guard fall asleep again? Alf McAlf. Huh? Who's talking? Bandit Yeti. I'm the fearful Bandit Yeti. I'm at the end of the bridge, but the devs were too lazy to make a camera close-up for me. Well, I'm not actually here. This is my avatar. Pretty nice, huh? In reality, I'm running free and infiltrating your networks. In any case, you'll never see the real me, cause you won't even make it through the bridge. All of Santa's servers will be mine. Christmas will be ruined. We are now on the bridge, and if you've watched the video in the tutorial, they did a very good job of explaining how to do this. We're just going to go back to search, and we're going to change it, well, we're going to do an empty search first of all. We're going to get rid of this number at the top, so we don't want that. Then we're going to do a search, and we've got all these results here. Now, if we run into the snow, it will reduce our HP by 1. Whoop, okay, it reduced it by quite a lot. So now we're going to do less than, and we're going to do search again, and we got 29 results. So I'm going to run into it again and hopefully not die. Whoop, get out. Oof. Quite low. So I'm going to do a search again, and we have 12 results. I'm probably going to die this time, but as you can see, you've got all these different values, and that looks like we're at about 25% HP. So I'm just going to come over here, and I'm going to bookmark that, and you can see we now have the memory register. If I run into it again, it should drop to like 0, because I'm terrible at dodging out. The room's a bit slow. Oh, there we go, we died. But now my HP is back up to 100. We can just click on that, and then we can change our HP value to 1337 again, make us pretty rock solid, and then we can just take on the bridge, and hopefully we won't lose our HP so quickly. If I've done it correctly. It could be the wrong value though. Oh, there we go. See, we're taking all the snowball shots and none of our health is going down. Fantastic. So we're editing the values in memory. We've set our HP to 1337 instead of 100. So when it's still doing damage, but we've got such a vast health pool, it's not doing enough damage to do anything to us. And then we meet the Bandit Yeti. I did not expect you to get this far. Prepare to face my ultimate spell. The Bandit Cloud Yeti that shoots snowballs from a cloud. You can see there. We're getting attacked by Clyde. You survived! That's impossible! This game was designed to be unwinnable. Yeah, but we're hackers. Please don't hurt my beautiful avatar. Here, I'll restore your name. Alf McSkiddy. Oh, thanks. That's nice of you. Oh, wait. It's Alf McSkiddy with a single D, you dunce. Give me back my name and get me out of this game now. Alright, no need to be rude. I'll just tweak your name a second time. And here's the final flag that will let you out and get you free. So all we have to do is type in THM. So if we come back to Advent of Cyber Room, we should just be able to paste that in. Yeti, flag. Hopefully I got that right. And submit, correct answer, and then we can complete the final room. This is a really fun room. The YouTube tutorial at the top does a great job of explaining it far better than I'm ever going to be able to do. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, except, again, with a hex editor in GTA Online, but that was many, many moons ago. But the principle's there. If you can capture the memory, you can edit the memory, you can edit the parameters, set them to whatever you want them to be, and then become invincible. And this can work on lots of games. Again, there are like obfuscation techniques to stop you from doing this, but the principle is there. It's a basic example of doing it, and I love the fact that they actually bothered to build a game for this. But yeah, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you get through it. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Maybe you could subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Kind regards.